everyone, I'm Ramsha Nadeem, and on Cafeccino we will make some cappuccino today with some complimentary chocolate coated flowers. And this is just because I wasn't able to upload any videos since the past few weeks, and I was even extremely busy and I wasn't able to even step into the kitchen. So that's why I decided to give a simple complimentary flowers chocolate creations with it. So cappuccino is a Italian beverage, and cappuccino is a coffee bean with the least amount of caffeine in it. And it's served with a full milk coffee beverage. So to start, you will need some full cream milk and pour it into the saucepan with a couple of tablespoons of cream to it. And cream is completely optional. And onto the stove, and you need to steam it and not boil, just steam it, just make it nice and warm, but to not boil it. And onto the stove, and into a nice big mug, add in your coffee granules. If you don't have cappuccino, don't worry, you can use any of your favorite brand instant coffee and you can enjoy it just like cappuccino. And add in some sugar and just a little bit of tap water to it. That's room temperature water, maybe 2 tablespoons, not more than that. And whip it up with the help of a fork and take your time. Or else, if you want to save your time, you can switch to a electric beater. Just attach a single attachment of your electric beater like so, and whip it up and make a nice stiff foam with it. And this color is amazing, guys. I just love this color, and whenever I see this color now, I just start craving a big mug of cappuccino. This is lovely. This color is amazing. Anyways, in the meanwhile, your milk must also be, it should be done in the same time. So attach another attachment, and with the same beater, beat your milk until the froth is formed. And froth, in the world of coffee, froth is flavor. Everyone knows that. So after that, into your serving mugs, put in some of your coffee froth and then the milk froth, and you can see I'm stirring it, but still the froth is there. It will not, it will not quickly vanish with the wink of an eye. It will stay there for quite a lot time. And to make these flowers or chocolate coated nuts, you just need to melt the chocolate and dip in your nuts. You can use any nut like peanut, walnut, pecan, chestnuts, cashew nuts, any nut you want. Not chestnuts, okay, no chestnuts, not chestnuts. Okay, so you can make a hibiscus with the help of pecans or even walnuts. I've chosen walnuts for it, and this will look like hibiscus flower. And you can even make drop in a dot of chocolate and place 5 petals, sort of some peanuts on it, and it will look like periwinkle. Make as many as you like and serve them with your hot coffee. And hope you like it. This was an extremely highly requested video, so I decided to do it within the boundaries of these winters so everyone can try it. And do subscribe to my channel and share my videos as well. And as always, eat, drink and think. Also, I will write ingredients and quantities all in the description down below. And okay, bye guys.